Hi everyone, my name is Philip and welcome to the Little Woodshop. For this week's video we're going to finalize the piano project. By the end we should be able to show you the final product. I think it came out nice. We kept the originality of the piano and let's see what this gives us this week. Enjoy! So guys, as you can see here, there's a little piece missing. It's on this side and on the other side. So that's what we're making at the moment. There we go guys, it's not an exact match, but it's close enough. There's the two pieces now in place. We're going to refit the hinge now that we just polished. I just want to first then the bottom. There's two ugly pieces on this side and on the other side of the piano that I'm quickly going to remake and fit, just to finish off that ugly screw holes. There we are guys, tidied up. I think that's a job done. So guys, that's the construction part of this piano done. What I'm going to do now is I lightly sanded it with just a bit of Scotch-Brite, just to get the color one tone, and then I gave it a dark brown stain all over the whole piano. Now I'm going to take it apart, drag it outside and give it some varnish. you an update of what I've done this week. Some of it I've done off camera. My very good friend Koenraad was here and he helped me with some of the stuff. And Koenraad is a bit camera shy, so we didn't make videos of some of the stuff. But just to give you an update. The glass arrived for the two parts. We fitted the detail part in the back and we lifted it up a bit. We've covered some pieces of wood with felt, put some detail on and polished up some parts, put some bolts and nuts everywhere, just to add a bit of detail to the project. Now for today, I'm going to install quickly the LED lights, cover the back part with some black material that I've got, just to finish it off on the back as well. And then the bottom part must still be fixed. And I want to put some gloss varnish on the bottom part as well. I'm not very happy with the finish at the moment. Let's see how that goes. So guys, as you can see, the back part of this piano is not very presentable. It's going to stand against the wall, suppose, but we can tidy it up a bit. There used to be an old frame with some black material on it, and we're going to replace that with some new material, but I'm going to use the old frame that was on there, just to keep the originality of it. Just tidy it up a bit. Guys, top tip of the week. If you feel like going on chronic blood pressure medicine, use a staple gun that didn't work the previous time and you try to use it again after how many months, hoping that it would have changed its mind while lying in the drawer. I should have bent this nail gun or staple gun many moons ago. So this time we're gonna bin it. There we go guys, the back part of the piano is nice and tidied up and it should be fine for a wall from going now. Little bit of polishing left to do. I've installed the two glass pieces. The glass on the bottom is in, the glass on the top is in. The wine rack or the bottle rack is fixed in place. So let's see what she looks on like with the lights on. There we go guys, LED lights is on. That's just on a normal bright white. There's one light shining down on the bottles and one shining up towards the glasses. The customer can change the colors by remote control. And that is about my favorite color for the LEDs. I've hidden the LEDs so you can't see it inside, but they are there in the back. So you'll have to look quite close to see them. All the detail parts is in. Nice small little details, not too much, not to overwhelm it. Glass parts, I think she came out nicely. Please comment, tell me what you think about the project. Thank you very much. Hi guys, as a summary in this project, what have we done? Basically when we got it, I'll add a picture from day one when we got the piano. We've stripped it down to absolute nothing, to the bare bones. Took out the big heavy metal harp in the back. Moved the front to the back. The same with the piece that was in here, we moved it to the back. Added the wine shelf. Added the glass racks. Put some glass LED lights that shines to the top and to the bottom. Polished the whole thing up. Added details everywhere. Just something to keep the eyes busy. I think we kept the originality of the piano. It still looks like a piano. It's not a piano anymore. I think the sentimental value in the piano will continue on, and we hope the customer will love it. Thank you very much.